Hi there, I'm Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Realty in Maplewood, New Jersey. Over these past 8 or 9 weeks, we've had a lot of changes in the real estate industry, and one of those changes that has really come to the fore is the rise of the virtual showing or virtual open house. Now you might be wondering, well, what's that? How does that work? Thought that I would do a quick little example of what a virtual showing might look like. Personally, I use Zoom. We'll set up a Zoom session with a potential client. I go to the property. The client is at their home and or workplace or wherever they are, and I walk them through the house using Zoom. Then, if they really like the house, we can then see if they want to schedule an in-person showing, and assuming that the seller is okay with that, then we set that up. So, here's a little example of what a virtual showing looks like. Hi there, Tim.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm here at 29 Farmstead. I'm standing right in front of the front door. Let me get the video turned around here so you can see the house. So here you see the living room and the dining room.
Where's the kitchen?
The kitchen, yes. So we'll walk through the living room and the dining room, the kitchen. You see, nice open concept.
All right.
Big windows looking out onto the front yard. And the kitchen is right over here to the right, behind the dining room. So this is the kitchen.
Yeah, I like that.
You can see it here. Big skylight in the ceiling.
Take a closer look at the stove.
Yes. I'll walk right over there. And here you can see stove.
Oh, it's electric.
Yes. This is an electric stove. The sellers had switched from gas to electric because one of the seller's mothers was living with them and she couldn't smell the gas and was leaving the burners on. So they swapped it out for an electric one. But the gas line is still there. You could swap in a gas stove.
Great. Can I take a look at what the pantry looks like?
Okay. Well, the pantry is over there on the opposite side, right by the door to the dining room. I can show you that a little closer. We'll open one of the units here. You can see, and all of these have pull-out drawers, so you can pull them out like that. So there you've seen what a virtual showing might look like. This is a great way to make sure that buyers really are only going out to homes that they really are interested in. It helps sellers to minimize the number of people who are coming through their home. Now, if you're thinking of buying or if you're thinking of selling, these are some of the things that I'm doing to help my clients out right now. If you're not really comfortable yet and you're thinking you want to wait, I'll still be here when you are ready. Until then, be well, stay strong. Thank you.